Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange, a leading crypto trading platform. And crypto markets seems to be a stable market compared to the stock markets nowadays. Markets are so volatile. And today, who would have expected Nifty can shoot up so much? But generally, I used to tell from Monday to Thursday, if the markets continue to fall, then on Friday, we can expect some kind of a short covering. That's because whoever shorted during the week, they must be sitting with a good profit. They may not like to carry the positions over the weekend. Because Saturday, Sunday, anything can happen. So I used to tell from Monday to Thursday, if you make a mistake, you just lose only 1 day's sleep. But Friday you make a mistake, then you lose 3 days of sleep. Friday night, Saturday night, Sunday night. So that's why generally the traders look to book the profits. So that is how today's short covering has happened. But that short covering came with intense volatility in Bank Nifty. Nifty was not volatile. The IT stocks were up, the best performing sector today, and that has supported the Nifty. And Nifty did not move much, but Bank Nifty was too volatile. In the morning it came down, then shot up 600 point, then came down 400 point, again shot up 300 point, again fell 200 point. The State Bank of India results added more volatility. And in fact, somehow I felt State Bank of India may be falling after the results. Just a pure gut feeling, nothing based on any technical or fundamental basis. That's why today morning I gave a strategy with a bearish view. So the strategy I gave in the morning, that was a strategy with a bearish view, not the bullish view, not the neutral view. Yesterday, actually, the Nifty closed at 19,391. I follow a certain technical analysis. So in that technical analysis, the Nifty become short or markets become bearish if Nifty closes below that level, 19,391. But Nifty exactly closed at that point. However, because of the weighted average closing, so NSE site indicated about 10 points lower, but the actual closing was 19,391. So that is why yesterday evening also I said, I'm not able to decide, although technically showing just 1 point, and ahead of Apple results, ahead of Amazon results, I do not want to take any decision, and also, wanted to wait just for 1 day to confirm, because it was exactly at that level. And yesterday night, same thing has happened in US market, but not on a closing basis. Intraday basis, Nasdaq 100 touched the point. I think it's 15,320. So if Nasdaq 100 closes below 15,320, then US markets become bearish. Intraday it touched but closed higher. So ahead of the Apple results, Amazon results, ahead of the US jobs data, so I did not want to take a firm decision. That's why today morning also I commented, because we look both technical as well as fundamental. But today Nifty closed decisively above that. Not only that, even in intraday also, Nifty did not even touch yesterday's closing level. So yesterday's closing level, let me tell you, is very, very important. And if that breaks and closes below that on a closing basis, the markets will become bearish. But luckily, markets have not become bearish. But Bank Nifty was just too volatile. And anyway, still it is time to be cautious. That's because Nifty closed below 20-day simple moving average for a third straight day. So we can say markets are neither bullish nor bearish. Markets may be chopping around. And that is a good thing for option sellers, because most of the option sellers, they sell call option also, they sell put option also. The markets are chopping around and they will be safe, they'll be making good money. But however, intraday people, they are struggling like anything. Today the way Bank Nifty moved up, down, and not only that, I read somebody saying that, he created a strategy, short straddle at 44,700. Market went down, then again came back, again trading at 44,700 for nearly 1 hour, but still he was in loss. Because, as the time goes, the volatility was higher, IV was higher in Bank Nifty. Why? That's because the expectation of State Bank of India results. Most of the people, today morning I said, either you have to be too stupid or you have to be too smart. Too stupid people, they every day do intraday short straddle, right? But sometimes it makes sense to avoid trading. There are 250 trading sessions in a year. Some days you can avoid trading, especially the days, like today, where State Bank of India result will be announced during the market hours. That can make or break and can make market more volatile. So that is one of the message I'm giving to the intraday short straddle people. But I know many people who look at technical, they just don't bother about anything else, right? Sometimes even, on a public holiday also they come and try to open the system. And one of my friends called me one day, sir, what is happening? The prices are not updating. That was the 2nd October, Gandhi Jayanti, stock market was a holiday. So this is the kind of knowledge the technical people have. So anyway, so people will troll me if I start talking more about the technical analysis people. Today India VIX on expected line fell 5.5%. So I think the knee-jerk reaction due to the US rate cut seems to be over. And all this commotion has happened just because of that Fitch cut the US rating. Otherwise our market was bullish. So suddenly one news came, the water was very still. Suddenly somebody throw a stone, there's a ripple. Then after some time it subsides and it becomes still again. So that's why the market was bullish. Somebody has thrown a stone, the Fitch, and now there's a ripple, and now the ripple seems to be subsiding. And the markets may chop around, but it may be, definitely it is not a bearish market now. So now with all these things are over, now the markets may be focusing on usual data. I think today in another half an hour, US jobs data will be coming, because this video is being shot at 5:30 p.m. So 6 p.m. the US jobs data will come, and then next week inflation data, RBI policy, all those usual things. I think the life will go on. I think 19,000 to 20,000 range will be still holding. I think the markets will become choppy, but it may stabilize going forward. So that is the message, and today is Friday, so time for a party. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.